Bill and Fleur were married on the 1st August 1997, and their wedding was a joyous and wonderful break for the threat of Voldemort. Today we walk down memory lane as we take a look at the most adorable moment from the special day. But before starting the video, if you are new here, then please subscribe to my channel because I keep bringing Harry Potter stuff every day. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want iconic and funny moments of Harry Potter. Link is in the description. And now without wasting any moment, let's begin the video. Luna recognized Harry despite the polyjuice potion. The small moment between Harry and Luna really demonstrated the depth of their friendship. Despite Harry drinking polyjuice potion and being disguised as red-headed cousin Barney, Luna was not fooled for an instant. She knew Harry so well that a little thing like having a different face wasn't going to stop her from recognizing one of her best friends. So in book, Luna said, "Hello Harry," and Harry said, "My name is Barney." And then Luna said, "Have you changed that too?" And Harry Potter said, "How did you know?" So she said, "Oh, just your expressions." When Ron complimented Hermione. By the time the story reached the Deathly Hallows, the chemistry between Ron and Hermione was undeniable. However, what was also undeniable was that the pair of them were useless when it came to doing anything about it. So we loved this little interaction between them. Finally, they were moving in the right direction. We adore how bowled over Ron was when he laid eyes on Hermione, and her playful response was equally as cute when Hermione saw Victor Crumb again. While we were always rooting for Ron and Hermione to make it work, we still couldn't help but find it sweet that Hermione got all flustered in the presence of Victor Crumb. As someone who is prized for their intelligence and logic, we found this giddy Hermione rather endearing when Fleur made her entrance. We felt a tad emotional when Fleur made her way down the aisle to meet Bill. Their wedding was a lovely oasis in the mess that had been Voldemort's return, and to see two people so happy and so in love was a welcome relief. We thought it was very fitting that Fleur's beauty seemed to enhance everyone else in that moment, like the way their wedding was a flash of light in the dark when Bill and Flora become husband and wife. This one doesn't need much of an explanation. You would have to have a heart of stone not to find this moment heartwarming. Bill and Fleur were meant to be, and their wedding sounds like it was straight out of a fairy tale. And honestly, whose special day wouldn't be enhanced with a little bit of magic? Well, Luna didn't need a dance partner. Luna truly did dance to the beat of her own drum. It's brilliant that she was happy to waltz by herself without a dance partner or care in the world. And it was so incredible her. We also quite like Ron's admiration at her ability to not be bothered by what anyone else thinks. If we are honest, we could all do with being a little bit more Luna. When Ron asked Hermione to dance. This was classic Ron and Hermione. While Ron was technically doing something sweet by asking Hermione to dance, he was doing it while defensive and grumpy about the presence of Victor Crumb. Though his angry demeanor didn't seem to put Hermione off taking a trail around the dance floor with him. In fact, she seemed thrilled by the prospect. When Fred and Georgie discussed weddings. While this is more bittersweet than adorable, we still wanted to include it. We thought it was cute when Fred and Georgie discussed weddings. While this is more bittersweet than adorable, I still wanted to include it. We thought it was cute that the Fred was thinking about what he would want for his future wedding, and we also enjoyed Georgie sticking up for their mom. Knowing Fred's faith, this interaction felt incredibly poignant and broke our hearts a little bit. But we are very glad that the Weasley twins made the most of this final family event that they attended together. So thanks a lot for watching Potterheads. So these were the few adorable moments from Bill and Flora's wedding. I hope you liked this moment and you felt the same as I felt. So what is the topic you want me to make video on? Be sure to comment below and I will work on that soon. And once again, it's a reminder, if you're not following me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description. And now I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care and goodbye.